Hi, how are you? Today we'll do practice the three freehand drawing. We are going to draw a circle scenery. So these are two circles. This is the bigger circle. This is the smaller circle. Let's draw a line here like this. We are drawing the line in the middle of the circle. On a far distance, there are some trees and glass. All right. A branch of a tree is hanging from the side. This is actually becoming the moon. We're going to put the leaves later. First, we're just drawing the branches. Scenery drawing is really interesting. So these are the leaves of the tree. Let's do some detailing over the moon. It has a glaring effect all around it. The moon is getting visible after putting shades on it. Yeah, it's looking nice. This is the ground. We can put the shades here. We are separating the grounds from the water. All right. The circle is getting very good. Putting the scenery inside a circle, it's a very good way of presentation. I like this form of arts. So we covered the whole circle here. This is water. Let's put some grass on the ground too. We can do little detailing here. And here too. And do more shade. on the ground. It's a long hatch to enrich the drawing. Did you see the moon, guys, on the sky? It's amazing. If you get some free times, please give your time to nature and watch the beauty of the nature. Thank you so much. I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe my channel if you want to get any update. Thank you. Have a good day.